My aim is actually to help you, especially you that you are watching this video and you are interested in making some passive income the easiest way, or maybe the possible way, okay, so fast, and also to make your ideas written down so that you can build something for yourself. Remember, most of us, we are very much good at talking, but when it comes to writing, it's not our thing. The same like me, I can be talking, like I know how to talk, I know how to express myself the way I'm talking right now with you, but when it comes to putting these ideas down, it can be very difficult. And I know I'm not the only one, and I know you are not the only one. But today we are going to find another very simple, doable way to make your audio using AI and actually monetizing this audio in a way that is very simple and very doable. Today, we are focusing on creating children's book using AI, using your own voice, and actually finding ways to monetize this audiobook. Remember, I'm just picking children book. You can pick anything, but for the sake of the video today, I'm focusing on children books, and we're going to be diving in step by step to actually analyze how can we do this the right way so that we can start building a passive income out of this. So stay tuned, because you're going to be learning how to make it the easiest way, how to actually monetize this audiobook once you have written it, and also I'm going to be revealing to you the sites that you can actually monetize or maybe help you to actually sell your audiobook that you have prepared by your own voice using the AI, and it's gonna be amazing so that you can start earning your passive income, even if it is $1. But the aim, or maybe the aim of this video, is actually to help you to start, okay, put those ideas down and start earning from them. So stay tuned. Now, I know that a lot of you are into, actually you want to try a lot of things, and I'm telling you these things because I have already tried it and I know it can work, it can be done. And I want to actually build an audience that is not just only about talking and not doing the thing that we are talking. So if you are interested in this kind of content, stay tuned, because you're going to be learning a lot. Now, to kickstart, if you haven't watched the first video that we did about audio writing, I'll leave the link so that you can watch, refresh your mind, and actually know what is audio writing. Now, the tool that we are going to be using to write our book is actually ChatGPT audio version. The first step is actually for you to do what? Download the app on your mobile phone, depending on which one you are using. Regardless of it, it's gonna work. Now that you have your maybe ChatGPT installed, because we are using ChatGPT, of course, our friend ChatGPT is amazing friend. Now that you have your ChatGPT app has been installed on your mobile phone, you're gonna click somewhere by we have an audio option or an audio icon. Once you click on it, you start recording yourself, okay? Now think of a story, and we are not just thinking of any other story. Oh, when I went, oh, and then oh, I met a chicken on the way and then the chicken turned. No, we are not doing that. We want to create something that children will love to hear, and also we want to create something that is interesting and also has a lesson, or maybe will motivate or inspire these young children. I'm just talking about children, but you can pick any niche that you want. Now we are going to focus on something that will be relevant and also something that will bring value to the children. And I'm talking about, let's say we pick a niche like self-development, or maybe teaching life lesson like kindness, or maybe never giving up, stuff like that, okay, or empathy, or being honest, stuff like that. So depending on which niche you want or which topic you want, you can pick any of them. Now for instance, if I have to pick maybe a subject concerning not to give up in life, and I want to instill, or I want to put this lesson to my kids, I'll just record myself in a very simple way, interesting way, to make my kids very engaging and also want to hear about this story. Remember, children love stories, and they love when you put it in action, and also when you make it more fun. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open our ChatGPT, and even if you don't have any idea, you are thinking, I'm not a good at storytelling, what can I do? your friend ChatGPT can also help you to come up with ideas, okay, depending on your personal needs. So for today's, or maybe for the sake of the video of today, what I want you to do, or maybe what we're gonna do, is actually we are going to think, maybe let's think about something like not giving up in life. And I want to teach my children about not giving up, or maybe the action of actually going on despite the difficulties. Now I'll think of a story, and one of the story that normally comes in my mind when I talk about these things is, maybe let's think of a small story. Maybe my kids are around, the girl just turned yesterday 2 years, and the second born is actually 3 years, and the eldest son is around 12 years actually, and the big ones are actually 14 and 20 something. Okay, that is a story another day. So I'm focusing on the little ones that I'm taking care of them right now. If I want to make an audiobook for them, what I'll do using ChatGPT, what I'll do, and we are focusing on the topic that we picked, not giving up. Now let's think of a story. And if I think of a story, I'll talk about something, or maybe let me not give you this story so that I can create next. When I create the story, you can understand, but we are just trying to think about it. Okay, I'll think of a story like this. Once upon a time, there was a seed called Saime. Saime grew up in a very difficult situation, and she wanted to grow up to be a big sunflower. She wanted to actually be this beautiful sunflower, but Saime didn't know how to manage, or how she's gonna be getting these results. As she was looking, maybe she was looking at other trees around her, and she couldn't imagine, how will I manage to have these big leaves? How will I manage to blossom and have these big branches like my other fellow trees? How will I do this? I'm just a small little seed that doesn't even know where it's going. How will I do this? But Saime did not actually give up. Instead, she actually managed to gather each and every time, managed to gather moisture, managed to eat well, and actually with time, Saime started blossoming. And then one night, she came out of the soil to be a very beautiful big sunflower. And then she started having all the big flowers and the big leaves that she wanted, the big greeny branches that she wanted, the big greeny leaves that she wanted. And then she looked at herself with a smile, and she said, wow, I made it. How did I made it? She thanked herself for not giving up. And that is a very interesting story that we can actually share with our kids. I'm just giving you an example. It is not like it is a real story, but I'm just forging. So once you're done with this story, ChatGPT has recorded everything. You're gonna get this story and put it in somewhere. Maybe you put in your notes, or maybe wherever you want to edit, or maybe I prefer using Google Document because it's gonna give you the option of editing. Okay, once you edit your story, what will happen, or the next thing you're gonna do, is actually you have edited everything. You have put maybe a title. For our sake, for this type of book, we're gonna be naming it. Maybe we can name it Little Seed Saime with a Big Dream, okay, or the Big Vision, okay, something like that. She's here. I'm talking Saime. She's my girl. Saime, I'm using the name Saime because she's stuck on. But she's here. She's making noise. Okay, say bye bye. She's making noise. Can you say hi? Hi. Here. Say hi. Hi. Say my name is Saime. Say Kurush. Bye bye. Tama. Go to semester. So once we have edited everything, we have put all those little funny stuff, and like the grammar is okay, it is time for us to actually put this book, or take this book. Remember, it is on Google Document. We can actually use a free application or a free website called Canva. You can do this, or make an ebook and then edit it add in elements. Now for the elements for the kids, remember, if you are using Canva, you can use both paid and also for free. If you're just starting, maybe you don't have money or you don't want to invest, you can use even the free version. But if you think outside the box, you can still get for $1 maybe elements and fonts and stuff from Creative, another website that is so best when it comes to actually this kind of things, which is called Creative Fabrica. It offers a lot, whereby writers and authors have put a lot of work to give you fonts, give you images, vectors, SVGs, a lot of stuff that you can actually utilize for your own sake to make a lot of stuff when it comes to these kind of things. Now we're gonna take all of this. For instance, if we want to utilize stuff from Creative Fabrica, we take elements from there and then add little fun in our book. Remember, we are editing in Canva. Once we have edited, our book is done, we have made a little beautiful cover in Canva. Still, we're gonna actually start monetizing, or we're gonna find ways to monetize this, our book. Remember, it was an audio. From audio, we have made a book that we have actually done converted into an ebook. Okay, now we are going to focus on selling it maybe on website like KDP, Amazon KDP, and you create an account on Amazon KDP, which is free, and then you won't be paying any monthly fee, as most of you normally ask me. And then you're gonna actually upload your ebook or your book, your ebook there, and then that is how you make your passive income. Now I know most of you will be wondering, how can we just make and then be selling? The problem is not even the making. The problem is not even the audio that we have made or making it. You can have the best voice, you can have the best book written, but if you don't know the next step, then chances are you won't make any cent. Okay, now that we have uploaded our book on KDP, Amazon KDP, what we're gonna do is actually utilize our social media accounts to market our book. Remember, everything falls under, or maybe the main thing is actually marketing this book. What you're gonna do is, maybe you want to order some sample. If you don't want to order some sample, you want to make some videos concerning the same topic, and then link your topic or maybe your book cover on the topic, or you are speaking, or maybe on the video that you are making, or maybe the post that you have made, so that you can actually also link the link to your Amazon KDP book. When people click on it, they're gonna buy it. You can use TikTok. TikTok is the best because it has a lot of people that are actually interested in such kind of things and entertainment and stuff, and you just want to make maybe minimum 1 minute video showcasing your book, or maybe showcasing a life lesson in your children, or something that children can be learning, or parents can actually teach their kids, and that's how they're gonna click on your bio. Remember, there are also requirements for you to actually link or put a link on your profile. Okay, so that's how you're gonna monetize your ebook and you make your passive income. Now for the better part, you can also offer both the hardcover and also the audio. Okay, and then how do you make even more money? You can also search for websites that are actually offering audio clips, like monetize your audio using certain website. I'm going to leave them here, mention them here, so that you can start your journey in making passive income. If you're finding value and you think this is something that you can do, then I want you to do me one favor. I'm really sorry, my little girl, the one who have been talking about the sunflower, she's here, she's making some noise. I'm really sorry for the background noise. If you want to hear more and you want me to share more about passive income, the easiest ways, the laziest ways, let me know in the comment section by you liking my video, subscribing to my channel, and if you want me to do an in-depth on how each and every step, let me know also. Until next time guys, I'll see you. Bye bye.